Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer Flying Dutchman burger. Let's begin. For the bun we'll be using a yellow onion and we'll need 2 slices. There we go, we're going to cut that off. And we'll just need a very thin slice, like 1/4 inch or less. There you go, that's a very thin slice. And we need one more. There you go. 2 thin slices around 1/4 inch thick or less. And that's what you want. Next, we're going to sprinkle some salt. And some black pepper. Flip it over and do the same thing. Some salt. And some black pepper. There we go. We're going to turn it on to high heat first. And then once it heats up, we're going to turn it to medium heat. Next, we're going to add some avocado oil onto the pan. Spread the oil around. And now let's add the onion. Alright, it's pretty hot. And now, since it's hot, we're going to lower it to medium heat. Alright, let's flip them over. There you go. And let's flip over the other one. Alright, it's done. We're going to turn off the heat. And we're going to take them out. Okay, the onions are nicely caramelized. We're going to put that to the side. And let's season the burgers. We're going to season the burgers with some salt. And some black pepper. There you go. Flip it over and do the same thing. There you go, some salt and some black pepper. Looking good. Take them and put it in. And now, let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 14 minutes. You can go between 12 to 14 minutes, but since these burgers are bigger, we're going to go for 14 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 14 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Next, we're going to put some American cheese onto the burgers. There you go. I'll put the first burger on top. There you go. And the last part of the onion on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer Flying Dutchman burger. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.